This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever, located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Position the jack under the front subframe rear mounting and raise the vehicle. Now place axle stands in position, then lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Remove the screws at the front, near side edge, off side edge, and rear of the engine under tray. Release the clips at the front, then lower the under tray and remove it from underneath the vehicle. Position a drain tray underneath the vehicle. Remove the engine oil filler cap. Secure the lower coolant hose to one side, as shown, to improve access to the oil filter. Now unclip and position the alternator wiring to one side. This will also improve access to the oil filter. Unscrew the drain plug from the centre of the filter cap. Allow the oil to drain into the container. When all the oil has drained, unscrew the oil filter cap using a 32mm socket and remove it together with the filter element. Use a clean cloth to clean the filter housing. Remove the filter from the cap and then remove the O-ring seal from the cap. Then use a clean rag to wipe all oil and sludge from the inside of the filter cap. Now clean the drain plug and remove the O-ring. The new filter will be supplied with a large sealing O-ring and a small O-ring for the central drain plug. Fit the new O-ring to the drain plug, then fit the other new O-ring to the filter cap. Lubricate the new O-ring and refit the central drain plug to the cap and tighten it. Fit the new filter into the cap, making sure that it is engaged with the cap and the correct way up. Then lubricate the O-ring seal with clean engine oil. Screw the filter and cap into the housing by hand and then tighten the cap. Return the alternator wiring and hose to their original positions, securing the wiring with its clips. Slacken the sump drain plug about half a turn. Position the draining container under the drain plug and then remove the plug completely. Allow some time for the old oil to drain, noting that it may be necessary to reposition the container as the oil flow slows to a trickle. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug using a clean rag. Install the new drain plug with its integral washer and tighten it. To reduce spillage, position a funnel in the oil filler opening. Remove the dipstick and fill the engine, using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Remove the funnel and refit the filler cap. Remove the drain tray and any tools from underneath the vehicle. Start the engine and monitor the instrument panel warning lights. The oil pressure warning light should go off after a few seconds. With the engine still running, check for leaks around the oil filter housing, oil filter drain plug and the sump drain plug. Position the engine under tray underneath the vehicle. Engage the tray at the front edge, then install the rear screws, offside screws, near side screws and front screw. Position the jack, raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Finally, recheck the level on the dipstick and, if necessary, add more oil to bring the level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Close the bonnet, ensuring that it shuts securely.